Working with numbers in Bash is pretty straightforward. To tell the interpreter that you're going to do math, you need to wrap an expression up in double parentheses. If you're assigning the result of an arithmetic expression to a variable, the parens need to start with a $sign. The expression inside the parentheses can use either literal numbers or variables. Bash supports 6 basic arithmetic operators: exponentiation with double asterisks, multiplication with a single asterisk, division with a /, modulo with a %sign, addition with a plus, and subtraction with a minus. I'll define a variable d to equal 2, and then I'll define e to equal the result of d plus 2. Then I'll echo out the value of e, and I'll save, and then I'll run my script. And I see 4, 2 plus 2. We can also use the increment and decrement operators that you might be familiar with, and the combination assignments. E plus equals 5 would increment the value of e by 5. E times equals 3. E divided by equals 3. And e minus equals 5. One thing to watch out for: if you don't have the double parens around an expression, you might end up with string concatenation if you're using plus equals assignment. So if I take the parens off of the e plus equals 5, now it treated that as a string. 4 plus 5 is no longer 9, but 45. And that's not something that I want. There's something else to be aware of with numbers in Bash. If I write f equals 1 over 3, and then I run it, I get 0. That's because Bash math only works with integers, not floating point numbers. If you need to get a floating point value, you can use the BC program with the predefined math routines to return that. Here I'm using command substitution to echo 1 over 3 piped into BC-L. And then if I run that, I get the result that I'm looking for. You can learn more about the BC command by typing man BC at the command prompt. But suffice to say, if you're doing a lot of math, you probably want to use something other than Bash for it.